We're always fighting.
I don't like fighting, honey.
And then what you gonna do?
Try to be better about it. So that we don't get each other angry.
You can help me. Help me. What I do?
I'm not sure. We have to think about it.
Like if I'm sensitive, what you help?
I don't know what would help you be not so sensitive.
You know that if I'm gonna sensitive, what you gonna do to me so that I'm not upset.
I'm gonna try to handle things better to not get you upset. That's what I'm gonna try to do.
But I want you also to be like open to me,
Yes.
not close.
Closed. Yeah, I thought you said closed. C-L-O-S-E-D. That's not what you said?
But I know.
I want to be close to you.
But you love me.
Yes, I love you very much.
Even I am sensitive.
Maybe. I am too, though, you know.
You're sensitive, but me, I always angry.
Yes. Maybe you're always angry because I'm stupid and say stupid things.
No, it's not. It's not your fault. Not fault because me sometimes when you're doing something and you not let me. That's the time that I me upset. What you gonna do help?
What am I going to do
What
to
you
help?
gonna do for not upset for me?
I'm going to try to include you in all of our decisions. Where we live, where we feel, what we do.
Me will include in you.
Yes.
Where?
Huh?
Where?
Where?
Yeah, where?
I don't understand that.
Where means where? Nah, like that.
I don't understand why you're saying like nah like that.
Let's say it. Okay.
Let's say what?
Let's say it. Okay. Love you.
I love you too.